Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome. This is my continuing treasure trove giveaway. So this giveaway goes on and on and on, and you all seem to like it, so it will continue as long as you like it. And how this giveaway works is I will show you 3 giveaways, and you will choose which one you like the best, and I'll explain more of that as we go along. And what I started doing last month was, in other videos that I make, I may or may not show a bonus item. And if you made a list of the bonus items and you are the winner chosen today, I've already chosen the winner. I will tell you that in a moment. If you are that winner and you know the bonus items, you get to win those as well as the grouping that you chose. So if you saw one bonus item, you can win that. You will win that. If you just have to list to me what the bonus items are. And if you don't know any of them, that's fine too. You won your number 1, 2, or 3 giveaway. And I'll try to explain that more as I go along. I don't mean to make it complicated, not at all. Okay, so our winner from last month. Oh, let me first tell you, this is February 9, and this will run till March 10. You all had told me that you do like an end date, where I have in the past, because of busy schedules and whatever, I didn't have a cutoff date, so it could last 3 to 5 weeks. So I will cut it off on March 10, which is a Friday at noon Central Time. And then that weekend sometime, hopefully I'll remember to post a winner. So, so it'll last about a month, and you have to be publicly subscribed to me. You have to be, well, you do not have to be publicly subscribed to me. It's just me in this giveaway. So I know who you are. If you are not publicly subscribed to me and you're a regular follower of me, a regular subscriber, I know you. So you are welcome to enter this giveaway. Let me tell you the winner from last time, and then we will move forward. So our winner from last time is Bliss Kara. I'll show her picture at the end. It's not really her, it's a shamrock, I think is what it is. And I believe that Bliss Kara's name is Erin, I believe. If I have that wrong, Bliss Karen, Erin, let me know. Okay, so she chose grouping number 3. So let's go through and I'll explain as we go what this all means, okay? So what we have is group number 1. So if you like, well, let me show them to you. All right, Group 1 and Group 2 you saw in the last video. Group 3 is a mystery, so that will remain the same. So Group 1 is a Dashing Diva set of nails. These are short nails. I don't think there's a name on here. It has a name, but I don't know. It doesn't always say on the container, and it does not on this. These are very beautiful. They're short. This is like a coffee and cream color here. This is have a mauve to it, and this has some gold and salmon and yellow in it. Very, very pretty, very, very pretty accent nails. And these are short. I wrongly told you in the last video that I was wearing long nails. I wear medium. Medium is my favorite length, so that is how they look. So the short does come, you know, a little bit above your nail bed, but they're shorter than these. Okay, I prefer the medium, and I do wear the short sometime. I am an affiliate for Dashing Diva, so I really like them, and I know other creators that their favorite press-on nails are Dashing Diva. They also have sticker nails. They have several different styles of nails. If I always have my link in the description, if you go in under my link and buy anything, I get a couple of pennies. So things like that can help me with my channel, with the cost of the channel. So this is in grouping number 1, as well as this little e.l.f. Mint Melts eyeshadow palette. Very pretty eyeshadow palette. These 2 are shimmers and these 2 are mattes. And it's Mint Melt is the, chocolate mint is the color story of this one. And also in group number 1 is this e.l.f. lip lacquer. And I don't know if you can see the beautiful sparkles in there. Hey, Smudge. This is called Love Bite. I don't know if you can see that, but Love Bite. It's very beautiful. It matches, to me, these colors go well together. So hopefully you will like them. Oh, Smudge, he came up for a second and then went the other way. So that's group number 1. That's number 1. If you like that the best, then number 1 will be first on your reply. You know, I'd love for you to say, hey, Mary, and, you know, something nice, and then, you know, go from there. I have a cold, by the way. I do not have COVID. I was tested. I do not have COVID, but I have a cold. Just the good old-fashioned, you know. Anyway, so now we're going to group number 2. Group number 2 is e.l.f. Brand. These are all 3 e.l.f. brands. e.l.f. Volumizing Mascara. This is a nice mascara. e.l.f. products are really nice products, and they're affordable. You can find these in drugstores, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, you know, all the drugstores that are out there carry these products, and they're very reasonable. And then they have a website also, and they have wonderful sales. And also there is this e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush. This is very beautiful. I didn't take it out of the packaging this time. This is, the highlight is on the left, the blush is on the right, and it's called Rose Gold. And by the way, I do know from my doctor that I'm not contagious, so don't worry about me touching things. I'm not contagious. So Rose Gold highlighter / blush, okay? And then a third item in this grouping number 2 is the Seriously Satin Cherry Lippy. And this lippy is a lot of fun. I wish I had one opened right now, but I don't. This is a clear packaging, so you can see the full bullet in there. So as you can see as you use it, you know what's gone. So it's the component around it is all clear plastic, and it's a beautiful color. It is the color cherry. So this is grouping number 2. If you like that best, put that down as your first number, okay? And then grouping number 3 is a surprise. It's a mystery. So you won't get this bag. This is my bag. I have a couple different bags. There's different things in these bags, and you will get what's in the bag if you choose number 3. That is what Bliss Cara did. She chose number 3. So she's going to get a mystery grouping, and it's very similar to what you've seen. 3 items, most likely. Something, it depends. It depends, you know. I sometimes go a little overboard, but even when I send you these, if you win 1 and 2, sometimes I throw in extra stuff. It just depends on how much postage I've spent that week. Anyway, so Miss Bliss Cara, Erin possibly is your name. Sorry, I hope that's your name. I think it's your name. Please get in touch with me. You have 48 hours to get in touch with me. And if you have a list of bonus items, you will win those items as well. And so now, starting going forward, if you see any bonus items, this is February 9. So going forward till March 10, anything you see from February 9 to March 10, any video that I make, if you watch the video and there's a bonus in that video, write it down. Because if you are chosen for the winner next time, you will have the opportunity. If you can name those bonuses, you get them. You win them as well. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, please let me know. Again, I will show you. This is group number 1. If you like this best, put this down first. Okay. Group number 2. If you like this best, put number 2. And group number 3 is a mystery. So if you like that best, put number 3. And then what I'd like you to do is put your first, your second, and your third choice. So if number 3 is your favorite, put 3 and then 1 and then 2. If number 1 is your favorite, then put 1 and then maybe 2 and then 3. Whichever way you want, whatever you feel most comfortable with. Some people don't like surprises, and some people love them. Most people do pick number 3. That's what I tend to see. So, but some of you all want to be specific and know I want that eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to go with number 1. So put in the order that you want, like I said, and please congratulate the winner. And I think that's, you know, the rules are just the regular rules, y'all. The regular rules. 18 years or older. You should have an address in the continental United States for me to mail your gift. I'm not responsible if you are allergic to anything. I am not responsible if this gets lost or stolen. I will get a tracking from the U.S. Post Office, and then it's out of my hands. Once I get it to the post office, it's done, it's gone. You will get it. I've never had anyone not get it. You'll get it. It would be a rare chance that you won't. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway at all. I bought all of these items myself, or they're from giveaways, or not giveaways. They're from PR or boxes that I've bought. I don't get this much PR, let me tell you, but I bought all of these products that you have seen. So I do get a lot of things in boxes, and I try to share those things as well, but I do buy the boxes. So, you know, I get rare PR, but I'm very happy with, I shouldn't have said that, y'all, but anyway, I'm going to leave this in. I do get PR sometimes, and I love it, and I do share it with y'all as best I can. So I hope that you enjoy this giveaway as much as I do. I have fun because you guys seem to really enjoy it and really have a good time with it. So I just really like it. So let me know what you think about, you know, did you know all the bonuses? I might, if people don't remember the bonuses, or they don't tell me what they are and nobody wins them over time, I'm going to have some sort of giveaway with the bonuses. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. So this is all, that part, the bonus part is a trial and error. The actual treasure trove has been going on almost 2 years, y'all. Gaining up on, I think April or May, I think it's going to be 2 years that I've been doing this. And you all really enjoy it. So thank you for being here. I enjoy your company so much, and I'm just glad you're here. And count your blessings, everybody, and take care. Love you. Bye.